Yeah, the session was very useful for me in the sense like for spend management, and those are the things that I will be using in my area of work. So that's one thing, and otherwise it was really, the session was good and was really interactive for me, and to learn more basic functions in finance actually. We know now I know how to present some budget for our production, such things. Thanks for
Awesome.
this.
Awesome. Thank you, Mahesh.
For me, I think understanding definition of forecast and budget, and apart from that, profit and loss statement, understanding that EBITDA a concept. So it was always a suspense for me when customers also used to say me कि यार मेरा EBITDA इस बार इतना down हो गया. So I think now I can understand his EBITDA word very good.
Excellent.
And for forecast, I think if we are able to work on our forecast, then I think each one of us in the meeting will get at least separate 10% increment for that only. If we are able to work on forecast.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you, Vineet. Yes. Thank you. Who else?
So the session was very good, and on a lighter note, it gave us an opportunity to negotiate on our own salaries, and and on a bigger scale, now we understand what our management want to convey us when they ask us for a accurate forecast, and what they are expecting us when they ask for budget on every year end. So now we can think about these points, and we can think more about the company while giving those sheets, those reports to our seniors.
Super. Thank you, Samrat. Thank you.
For me, today I understand what management think over cost. Explain, what your definition of care and cost management. And for me, that is great part for. Great part is your financial statements. What is the definitions of EBITDA, PAT, and all other things. And in terms of budget, yes, budget is important, and you are explained very well. Even Samrat Vinit is also telling some good points. Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you, Prasad. That's very nice to note. Thank you.
Yes.
Ma'am, it was a good session, and understanding our profit loss making chart, and you explained it very well with example. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad to note. Yes. Yes, Satish.
I understand how PL statement, how PL statement is prepared, and what is the advantages, and how we can implement spend management and cost analysis, etc. in India.
Awesome. So, did you all enjoy the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, definitely.